Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn one of the errors, what causes those errors, that error on Facebook when you want to do what? When you want to send your link to your friends on your Facebook. So in case you have a website and you want to send your link, share link, or you say, oh my friend, look, I'm doing this kind of a business and I'm looking forward to I would like you, anyway, you can say maybe I would like you to do what, to visit my website. Then the friend will tell you like, okay, please send me a link. And for instance, I want to talk to this one and say I would say, hi, I say, hi, how are you? How are you? How are you? If it doesn't answer, I'm gonna look for another, then I'm gonna give you the reason why we're doing this. I'm gonna give you the reason why we're trying to do this. Let me see. And I get somebody here who will respond quickly, and I'm gonna say, hi, how are you? We're waiting, we see if it's gonna answer. Then you're gonna see that error, the error which we get. Then I would advise you on what to do. It's active, but also is not talking to me. There's this one, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one. Let me see. I'm trying to get chance in and see if I can get somebody. Somebody who's quick to respond. Okay, Vose. I'm gonna get this lady. Say, Vose, how are you? It's a long time. How's life? Is life? I wanna get you somebody, one person. You're gonna see. Then I send that link. I'm gonna try 2-3 people who. Whoever answers quicker is the one I'm gonna make a test with. This one is responding right now. Okay. Let me see. A simple logo. Just words. One word saying view to take. Okay, let me see what it's gonna say. Then I want to put him in the conversation. Okay, I'm gonna tell him I'm dropping that one, that I'm gonna say that one of kingmusa.co.za. okay, that's the domain which is having a problem. I'm gonna say www. Then when I try to send, look what it says. It says this message failed to send. This click to send again. When you click, it does that. When you click, it does that. No matter how many times you're gonna click, this domain will never go. So I was using this domain. Now what happens is like Facebook, the reason they blocked it, they don't tell you this. If you see your domains like this, it simply means also it cannot be shared on any wall or Facebook wall. So what's gonna happen is let me just what's gonna happen, I'm gonna come here and go to my wall and say www.co.za and then say share. It's gonna just say disappears. It will never share. Even if you go to somebody's wall, it will never share. So what's the conflict here? The problem is one, your domain was blocked based on what? On suspicions that your domain has been doing what? Some spam. So Facebook, they block domains based on behaviors. They think maybe even if it hasn't been done doing spam. You know, the previous video I made, it was closely to the same, but it wasn't sure. You could not advertise. That domain also cannot advertise. If you create an ad, you cannot advertise that domain. That domain, if you have a group, it cannot take your email address. It cannot take your URL in case you want to go to your ads and create ads and put in. So since it's like that, they say you have to claim on Facebook. You send them a message and whatever. You can go to Google and say that, but I've tried that a couple of times. Let me say google.com. I'll say how to contact Facebook to unblock my account. Unblock my domain, my website. I'm gonna say website, my website. Okay, unblock my website. Okay, you go there and say enter your URL on Facebook, debug. You see, I've done all these steps. So the steps, they say enter your URL on Facebook, debug tool, ensure fire sign that your website is blocked. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. One of the reports to Facebook. Okay. Open the help center, select a report a problem, choose something isn't working, then Facebook business support page. Okay. So they give you some. Okay, this website is called johnfowler.co/Facebook block my whatever. Oh, they have some pop-ups here, but they give you step unblock your what. Okay, they give you first name, email address. No, I think they trying to advertise subscribe. They want you to subscribe on this, but anyway, this is not what we're gonna do. So what they say here, they say if you are a business blogger, then your website is at the heart of what you do. So a huge part of growing any business is word of mouth. It's one of the oldest and most effective forms of marketing here there is. So okay, then they say here, I want to show you. They say, and trust me when I say it sucks being blocked. Okay, your audience can't share any of your content. You see, that's true. I've been showing you that, but we're gonna see how this guy gonna help us to do the steps there. He said you can't link your website or groups, message or to friends. You can't even add your website to your page while blocked. Okay, this is, yeah, you can't do that. I remember I was telling you I could not do that. I could not put in what Facebook cannot make this easier. What we say, this website URL you provide is not valid. Please enter a correct URL and try again. So you can see this is something also annoying. So you cannot put this on your web page. You cannot make an advert. Okay, so domain block. Okay, they say anyone had a domain blocked my Facebook for violating community standards and successfully had a unblocked nothing offensive or controversial on the domain, so not clear as why it would be blocked. Even me, I'm asking myself. I have a client also, he owns a school website but also was blocked. We don't know if these AIs they use, maybe they just choose a domain. Okay, other people were having the same problems I saw, problem I was, so I wanted to put together a short guide for people in the same boat. In this article, I will explain how I found out my website was being blocked by Facebook, and ultimately how I got URL back again. Okay, which means this guy managed to do that again too. Okay, too busy right now. Okay, get these steps delivered to you straight. Okay, they say if you're too busy, you can put your name and put your email, then that guy is gonna help you. How to tell if your website has been blocked by Facebook? Then you say, okay, personal blog is relative to new. I have been blogging whatever. Okay, leave that part. Okay. I believe I'm gonna give you the URL. Should be here. Facebook hit me with an error message. Your message could be sent because it includes content that people Facebook have reported as abusive. Okay, what? Okay, how Facebook unblock my website. Okay, using the URL debug. Okay, so there's this URL called HTTP. I'm gonna go to that URL. You're gonna see we're gonna go step by step, but I did those steps. You can try them. Everyone has his own luck. The URL is called developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. So here, that's when you're gonna put your Facebook. You say www.kingmusa.co.za. So that website, your website, you're gonna put it here. Then you say debug. Once you debug, you can say we can't review this website because the content does not meet our community standards. If you think this is a mistake, please let us know. You can click on that to let them know. So let's go back here and read it. This guy, okay, it's gonna show what. Okay, then say if you can't get that error, and if you don't get this error and the debug runs as normal, then check your warnings that should be fixed. Tab for an error that says URL blocked. Okay, if you have neither error, then your website might not be blocked. Okay, but remember here we have the error. This error comes. This simply means this website is 100% blocked. So if it's blocked, what do we do? So it says submitting report to Facebook. Facebook is notoriously difficult to contact. This you should know but you can try your luck. They don't accept normal emails like most businesses do, and instead they require you to submit bug reports or support messages. You get me? This you can read this. They don't accept normal emails like most businesses do, and instead they require you to submit bug reports or support messages. So you can see they are very, very stubborn people. You cannot just send them an email and say they're going to respond to you. So in order to get the URL unblocked, we are going to need to get in touch with them as many ways as possible. Note that on the debug error message above, there is a link to inform Facebook that you think this is a mistake. So that link, you can see this is the link the guy is showing you here. So what are we going to do? This seems like the next logical step. So click the link and fill out the form. So that's the link. So the guy says here, he said, hi there, I just started a new personal blog with the domain name. Okay, put the domain name. When I share my domain name on Facebook, I get an error message saying it does not meet the community standards Facebook. Okay, I ran a debug of the URL on our debug, and it came back again saying the URL does not meet community standards. Okay, then I said, could you explain a bit more about why it is reported? I can't see anyway the community standards why my URL would be banned. Regards, John Fall. So okay, this guy is the owner of the website. You see, he's showing you some steps to do, what to send, a clean message to send. You can go to his blog here and copy this message exactly the way he wrote it in a good nice English, then you send it. We're gonna send the same, not the same message, but we're gonna show the steps. You click here, let us know. We clicked on let us know, and we say, hi there. Maybe you can say, hi Facebook, hi Facebook, I just bought a new domain called okay, you put your URL, but then I can't share any of its content, and also I can't pay any ads, Facebook ads, book ads to promote my website. I get the error. I get the error which says that which says that the domain has content which violates Facebook community standards. Okay, and I am sure I have never violated any community rules for Facebook. Let's see. Can you please highlight me on why is domain banned? Regard Java West, whatever name you have, put yourself like that. Okay, I've written this, then I'm gonna send. That's our step 1. So they said thanks for providing feedback about the experience. Then you say okay, that's great. Support box, let me see the box. I sent a lot of messages before. Okay, you submitted Thursday for June. Yeah, that has submitted. This was submitted. List. Okay, this was submitted. Okay, no, let's go back. We just look at our stuff. Okay, the form files are reported with Facebook that might or might not investigate. The form files a report with Facebook that they might or might not investigate. So chances are high that these guys might not look into your issue. You see? So if they're not going to look into your issue, what are you going to do? But a step in the right direction, I went on the fill the same form in about 3 times over the duration of my block. Okay, you can see you can do it frequently. If they don't unblock it, maybe in a week you do, in another week you do, in another week you do. I also got a couple of friends to submit the same form complaining that they can't share my content. So if your friends also can't share your content, obviously they can't, talk to them and tell them please also submit, and explain to Facebook that you're facing that error to do what, to submit my stuff, to share my links on Facebook. You understand? So that could also work. In this position, anything you can do, get the attention helps. Okay, he said in this position, anything you can do to get their attention helps. Okay, you see, if you can get a lot of friends who can submit, maybe 10 or 11 or 20 people submitting, then maybe they can take into consideration to do what to, they can consider to maybe to look into your issue. Maybe they can unblock you. Report a problem on Facebook. Another step you can take to get Facebook to eventually notice you is to report your blog as a problem. So how do you do that? You can see there's this question mark here. Say, can I help you? You can see they can report a problem. Okay, click on report your problem, then something isn't working. Okay, that's good. Okay, this guy is giving us another thing. You click here and you say report a problem. I can't see that. What is the page? Home page, line, whatever. Let's go back and see what it's saying. Something here up, you see, click on that question mark. Okay, down, scroll down. How can I help you? Okay, you see privacy, then doesn't show anything. Okay, report a problem, it's on the select to report a problem. See, how can we get that? Select to report a problem, privacy, change, report a problem. Can we search a report? When I search it, I can't get it. Privacy account, timeline, home page, help with this page. See, let's get it right. Okay, to report a problem, click on the help center button in the top right corner of Facebook. Okay, clicking that help. Let's click there. We see what's going on. What's the Facebook? What do you choose? How do you get Facebook popular? Whatever your profile and whatever pages, messages, notifications. Looking for something else? Visit a community. No, there's something wrong with my Facebook, I think. Okay, privacy. Okay, let's see. Another step you can get is to Okay, why it doesn't work? There's something I'm not doing right here. Because also it ends on privacy. See Facebook. That first step is done. Facebook. Okay. What if we click here? It can't be the same thing. Let's see. Okay, let us see. Privacy. No. Homepage, timeline, chat and message, account set, security, privacy. Okay, privacy shortcut. Okay. From the pop-up screen, select something isn't working. Wow, report a problem. Something isn't working. Okay, if you can see it on your side, okay, what they say, click on report a problem, then it says something isn't working, then you briefly explain what they want here, what you have to do there. Maybe you can also include a screenshot, then you submit. So after that, speak to Facebook's ad department. Now this is something I haven't read anywhere else, and this isn't the most effective methods. Okay, so you see how that step, second step, could work for you guys. And also, okay, account security. No, this is not something we're gonna do. We wanted to look into that report a problem. So I'm gonna do for you something to save you some time. I'm gonna put this link. I'm gonna put this link in the description below, so that you do what, you also go there and read some stuff there. Maybe if you follow all those steps, you can get what you can get attention. The only trick to do is be smart. Get to make sure you get attention. If you get an attention, then it's gonna be fine. I ended up personally, not lying to you, creating a new domain and shifted my business to a new domain. So by what I'm doing, also I'm trying to force this domain to be unblocked. I'm trying each and everything to see that the domain can get unblocked. So I guess and I hope that helps, but I'm gonna send you the link and you read more on that. Do each and every step if you want to. Unfortunately, on my Facebook, yes, I'm sorry, I got this. I didn't scroll down, but anyway, let's click here and say report a problem. Okay, as he said, you click there and also say payment issues, something isn't working. Yes, he said click on something isn't working, then you start explaining here. Select product. Okay, did he select any product here? I don't think he did. This guy, he sat down and scripted something for us, something useful. So once you select that, you say something is not working. So here, select other. Okay, this is what we wanted. So we're gonna do only this step. Other stuff, I'm gonna send you the link and start viewing what the guy is saying. Then you're gonna get more attention. The only thing, you might be lucky, the only step I did, the first one, it could lead you to being unblocked. Also, if you do the second one, also it could lead you, or if you go further more and try to do what on that page, what is there on that page. I'm gonna give you the John wrote for us something good. John, thanks a lot for doing this for us. So John did this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give him a link into our YouTube channel, so people are gonna be visiting his website via that, those who want some information. Let me see here and say hi. I'm gonna say hi. find, we can say hi Facebook. I bought a new domain called, then you put your domain here, called, and when I try to share some content, it gives me I say content on Facebook. I just receive an error saying that the domain contains content which violates Facebook's community what? Rules. Okay, please advise what's the real problem, because I never violated no rules. Okay, that's right. You fix everything, then fix your grammar, and I want to copy this small thing here. After copying that, I don't have a screenshot for now, but it was gonna be good to have one. I won't put one, but it's good for you to put one. Then I send. Okay, it said your feedback helps make Facebook better. We will contact you if we need more details, but please note that we can't reply individually. Okay, looking for more information, you might find these help center, whatever, helpful. Okay, gonna be pop-up message. You will say, okay, that's what you're gonna get. Okay guys, we're done with that step, but I'm gonna give you a couple of steps more on this link. You're gonna follow the link into my website, into my YouTube video, into the description below. You're gonna find it, and please don't forget to subscribe, and also you have to credit this guy John Fowler, who tried to write an article for us to learn a lot of things here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe and also share our content. And also, if you know some information about this, or you ever faced this problem and you managed to fix it, please comment in the comment box below and tell us how did you fix it, because all of us, we're looking for easy ways to fix this as a community we can help each other to fix problems, because you can find you did it in an easy way and we're trying to do it in a difficult way, but once we come together it's going to be easier for us to make things easier for everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.